Okay, our first paddle of the new year, 2026. We got a good group on what appears to be an absolutely incredible day. Where's the latecomers? Because he had a long drive.
Hey, it takes a while to carry these.
Yes. Okay, incredible day and good turnout. Clear water today. Everybody launching. On the water, looks pretty. We're at Bird Island, but not much here. That is the contingent behind us.
Compensation? No. No, God. That's before compensation? Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
We're really running through there, the current. Yeah.
It was $5 a meal. Delivery.
Well, he's got to do that again because I missed that one. Well, we're trying, if I don't wreck my boat, trying to find manatees here. They're popping up around somewhere.
Right here. Right here.
Oh, shit.
Well, Tom, send them over here, will you? Yeah, this is the house we're moving to here. Nice little spread on the water. And this is the other end of the house with the nice pool with the shark on it. It'll be on YouTube. Another tiny spread on the water here.
Something out there.
Another nice spread here. They waited for me to put the camera on and they took off. Well, you can look at this. Another nice spread on the water here, right on the corner. This is a real kind of interesting place here on the water. Right out to the inlet over there. We're paddling over to the Sewall Island here. Well, we're landing in this island because there was a tent over there. Okay, we're all departing the island. Well, we're back to Bird Island. And there's a whole bunch of pelicans there. There's some roseate spoonbills in here, but we can't get them to fly. My camera gets up. Yep, another one. There they go. Oh, another one. Roseate spoonbills flying. I'll try and do. Yep. Okay. Well, we got them. Well, there's just 3 of us going back.
On top of the tree over there.
Well, I don't know if there's anybody paddling behind me, but I'm here.